In this video I'm just going to take you through all the various widget positions that are available in the theme. Now, as you can see in my ads page here, I've set all my demo ads here, and now that they're set up in there, I'll go into the widgets page and then we can drag and drop them into the various widget positions. Now if you just actually look at the titles of the widget positions, you'll see that some of them have got the text ads after them, some have got ads, standard. Now when it says ads, it means that that widget position is suitable for placing ads. If it has standard with it, then it also means that it's suitable for placing standard widgets such as archives, calendars, categories, etc, etc. So it's just important to know which widget positions are styled for what kind of content. So let's have a look, and we'll just drag a few 125 widgets into the wide bar 125 position. As the name suggests, this is styled for 125 sized ads. Just close those. If we have a look, you can see we've got our 125 sized ads there. Okay, let's just drag those back across there and we'll look at another position. Let's look at wide bar top. Wide bar top, that's suitable for 300 by 250 ads. And there you can see it. We also have in here sidebar left and sidebar right. That's more suitable for the skyscraper type ads. So I'm just going to drag a 160 skyscraper in there, which we can have a look at. You see we've got the skyscraper there. And I'll just try dragging a 125 into the sidebar right. Let's maybe do a couple and have a look. And as you can see, that's how we build up our ads in our theme. Okay, let's look at some more positions. Header high. That's the highest position in the theme. So I'm just going to drag. That's suitable for very wide ads. So let's have a look at a 728 by 19 there. But you could also put some 125 sized ads in there too, if you put a series of them. So you can see that's where it is. Okay. Header right is to the right of the header, so you probably want to put a 468 sized ad in there. That's what it's styled for. So let's just put them in there. Oh, didn't quite go. It's not playing ball with me today, so there we go. And have a look. There it is. You don't want to put other types of ads in there because it's not styled to fit them. It's specifically styled for 468 sized ads there. Okay, let's look at another one. Header mid. What I'll do actually is I'll drag the 7 to 8 sized ad there and pop that in header mid so you can see where that is. Right there. Okay, let's find another position. Header low. Again, I'm going to move that ad so you can see that. Right there. Okay, all content above. Probably if we just drag a few 125s in there, I'll demonstrate that position best. Let's have a look. All content above and in there too. Let's have a look. So you can see all content above is above all the content. You could put a 468 ad in there if you like, or a number of 125s, or whatever you like, just as long as it fits within the square. It's actually styled to stack up all the ads sideways in that particular position. Okay, let's look at another position. All content below. Let's drag the ads in there. You can see that's moved to below all the content. You can probably see the logic by now. Let's look at another position. I'll just close a few of these up just to make it tidy, and so I can see what I'm doing. Content item above. Okay, so I'll just drag those in there and have a look. Now, content item above is different from all content above because all content above is up here, and content item above is just here above the entire content. Actually, that would be a better position for like a 300 wide rectangle. Maybe we'll have a go at that. Let's just drag these back over here. And I'll grab that 300 wide rectangle from up here and bring it down here. And have a look. There we go. So it's quite an aggressive strategy to place an ad there, and it's above all the content. And then we've got content item below, so I'll just pop that there and you can see where it goes. Right there. That's different, of course, again from all content below, because all content below goes below all content, whereas this position just goes below the actual article itself. Let's have a look at content item left and right. And here you can see the text is wrapping around the ad. That's a slightly less aggressive position than the previous one that you just saw. So if you want to be nicer to your readers and kinder, then you can pop it there. You probably won't get as many clicks though, but it's up to your strategy of how you want to handle your readers. Let's type content item right. And again, same, but on the right. Footer above. Now, footer above is a special position which is suitable for standard widgets. So let's have a look here. We'll just drag a few of the standard WordPress widgets in there. And that. And have a look. And even though I haven't filled out any content in these, you can see that this is where standard widgets can go 3 across. So if you want to have your standard widgets like recent posts, etc., underneath your content, you can place those widgets below here. But we haven't got any content in this particular blog. All you can see is one entry. Okay. Maybe if I just give that calendar a name so you can see what we're doing here. So this is a calendar. And I'll swap that one out maybe for a links widget. There we go. So you can see, oh, I forgot to save it, didn't I? Let's pop back and save it. Save and have another look. And there it is. There's the title. Okay. So as you can see, you can stack your standard widgets underneath your content. Let's look at some more positions. Now, these particular positions are special positions. The navbar pages, navbar categories, they are specifically for link units that you might want to place in the navbars. I haven't got a link unit right now, but trust me, if you stick a link unit in those positions, then that will look great. Same for the footers as well. You can also place Google AdSense link units in the footers as well. Now, the header lock positions are a bit more of an advanced position, and I think I'll cover those in a separate video. But hopefully now you'll have got the feel for where all the different ad positions are.